Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video we are given a circle with center O, and then we are asked to find the value of P plus Q plus R plus S. How do we get a value for those four angles? There are basically two theorems I'm going to apply in solving this question. Firstly, let's see that this triangle is isosceles because this radius has the same length as this radius. So the base angles we have here are what? Equal. So if the angle here is Q, the angle here is equally Q. So using sum of angles in a triangle to be equal to 180 degrees, we can say that Q plus Q, which is 2Q, plus the 4P there, is equal to 180 degrees. Dividing through by 2 will give us Q plus 2P equals 90 degrees. Let's bear this in mind. Secondly, this is a tangent to the circle. A tangent is always at right angles to a line drawn from the center of the circle. The angle here is not given. Let's make the angle there to be equal to M. So since this is perpendicular to the radius, we can write that M plus Q is equal to 90 degrees, and M will be equal to 90 degrees minus Q. Let's also bear this in mind. Thirdly, if we're given a triangle and an exterior angle to the triangle, it is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. This angle is equal to this plus this. So let's apply that to this triangle we have here with respect to this angle Q. That angle Q here is equal to P plus M. So writing that out here, Q is equal to P plus M because Q is the exterior angle to that triangle. But then, remember that our M is equal to what? 90 minus Q. So I substitute that in here. Making Q the subject, okay, let's collect our like terms. Q plus Q there is 2Q minus P, and cross that to the other side, it is equal to 90 degrees. Let's also bear this in mind. Now let's take these two together and let's solve them simultaneously. Q plus 2P is equal to 90 degrees, as you can see from here. Bringing this down, we're going to have 2Q minus P equals 90 degrees again. So let's solve this simultaneously. I'm going to multiply this first one by 2, and I'm going to multiply the second one by 1. So multiplying the first one by 2 will give 2Q plus 4P equals 180 degrees. The second one is multiplied by 1. That will give us 2Q minus P equals 90 degrees. Now let us subtract. 2Q minus 2Q is 0. 4P minus P, that is 5P. 180 minus 90 gives us what? 90. So solving for P from there, we're going to divide both sides by 5. The value for P is 18 degrees. The value for P is 18 degrees. But then let's take one of the equations and then let's solve for Q. I want to take this equation, I want to use that to solve for Q. So 2Q there is equal to 90 plus P crossing this P to the right hand side. 90 plus P, that's 90 plus 18, gives us 108. And then dividing both sides by 2 gives us the value of Q as 54 degrees. So now I have been able to get the value for P and Q. Mind you, we are asked to find the value of P plus Q plus R plus S. P is 18 degrees, Q is 54 degrees. So then how do we get the value of R and S? I go back to the diagram. How do we get the value of angles R and S? I'm still going to use the same theorem. The exterior angle to a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So from here, we can see that Q is the same thing as R plus S. Q is the same thing as R plus S. So this R plus S you see there is still the same thing as writing it as plus Q. This R plus S is Q. So we're going to have 18 plus 54 plus Q, which is still 54 again. Adding all these together will give 126 degrees. So the solution to this question is 126 degrees. Thank you for watching. For more exciting videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel and also share my videos.